out to eat, and it's a cold, rainy night in Bumfudge. So the Dalek and Doctor Number 6 are here while I've got a pupil free day tomorrow. And I'm starting the edit of part 3 of the Junk Workshop series. My first job is to take about 3 hours and 4 minutes of footage and try and turn it into the story, so a rough cut. So this is really just hacking away and trying to get it down to, I guess tonight the goal will be to try and get it down to about 30 minutes, and then I can start refining it from there. As Bo Miles, the inspiration for this, says, the key is reduction, reduction, reduction. So if you don't mind, I'm going to go get a hot drink and start reducing.